Sairam children, today we are going to learn and write in our English grammar textbook. Okay children, now open your textbook. Open page number 36. Now here you can see lesson number 8, position words. Now first we are going to write date. Write it down. 9-9-20. Done children? Good. Now you look at the pictures and read the sentences. Here you need to see the picture and you have to write position words. Our chapter is about position words. Now what you can see in the picture? You can see a table and a cat, right? Now tell me, where is the cat sitting? Can anyone tell me? The cat is on the table. Can you see in the picture the cat is on the table? Correct. On. On is the position word. Okay children? Underline the word on. Okay? Good. The next one. The cat is under the table. Can you see the cat under the table? Yes. So what is our position word here? Under. So underline the word under. Okay? Good. The next picture, you can see a box. What is there in the box? Very good. Ball. So the ball is in the box. So in is the position word. Okay children? Underline the word in. The next picture, you can see what? You can see a window. Right? So the pot is below the window. Right? The pot is below the window. So what is our position word over here? Below. Underline the word below. Done? Good. Now I am going to read the definition for you. What is position word? Okay? Now words like on, in, under and below tell us where the things are placed. Hence, they are called place word or position words. I repeat, words like on, in, under and below tell us where the things are placed. Hence, they are called place word or position words. Okay children, understood everyone? Okay, next. Next, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. This is our activity, okay children? Now, what you can see in the picture? You can see a park, yes or no? Here you can see children are playing. You can see cloud. You can also see sun. You can see a big tree. Under the big tree, two children are sitting. You can see a bench. Yes or no? Yes. Now, down you can see 5 options. I am going to read the option for you. The first option is near, in, with, under, on. With the help of these options, we are going to write in the blank. Okay, children? The first one. The children are playing dash the park. The children are playing in the park. Okay, children? You're going to write it with me. Write it down. I-N, in the park. The children are playing in the park. In is our position word. Okay, children? Done, everyone? Good. Next. Number 2. In the picture you can also see a bench. Yes or no? Yes. The bench is dash the tree. The bench is near the tree. So near is our position word. Write it down. N-E-A-R, near. Okay, children? Done, everyone? Good. Number 3. A bird is sitting dash a branch. Here you can see, where is the bird in the picture? Can you see the bird? Yes. A bird is sitting on a branch. Okay, children? Write it down. On. O-N, on. Done? Okay. Next. Number 4. Boys are sitting dash the tree. Can you see boys sitting where? Can you tell me? The boys are sitting under the tree. So you're going to write under. U-N-D-E-R, under. I repeat, boys are sitting under the tree. Done? Next. Number 5. Now here in the picture you can see 2 boys are playing. Yes or no? Yes. So number 5, boys are playing dash a ball. Boys are playing with a ball. So with is our position word. So write it down with me. W-I-T-H, with. Done, children? Next. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using the help box. Here you can see help box. Okay, children? Now here you have many options. I am going to read the options for you. With the help of these options, you are going to write and fill in the blanks. Okay? Now I am going to read the first option for you. In between. On. In front of. In. Behind. Under. To. Inside. With the help of these options, we are going to write the correct answer. Okay, children? The first one. The rat is dash the basket. Now you can see the picture of a basket. Right? What is there inside the basket? Very good. Rat. So what will be our answer? The rat is inside the basket. So you are going to write the answer. What is answer? you're going to write inside. So write it down with me. INSIDE. Inside. Okay, children? Done? Next one. Number 2. The cat is dash the box. What will be our answer? The cat is behind the box. Okay, children, can you see in the picture? The cat is behind the box. Yes or no? Yes. So our answer will be behind. Okay, children, write it down. BEHIND. Behind. Over. Next. The third one. The cat is dash the box. What will be our answer? The cat is in front of the box. Okay, children, you are going to write it down with me. In front of. Write it down. in front, FRONT. Front of. Okay, children, the cat is in front of the box. Over. Write fast. Good. The fourth one. The cat is dash the box and the bowl. The cat is in between the box and the bowl. So write it down. in between. BETWEEN. In between. Okay, children? But you all are going to write in the dash. Okay, children? Write. The next one. Number 5. The dog is dash the basket. Where is the dog? The dog is in the basket. Yes? So you're going to write it with me. IN. Write it down. IN. Done? Good. Next. What you can see in the picture? Monkey. Number 6. The monkey is dash the tree. Where is the monkey? Children, the monkey is on the tree. So you're going to write ON, on. Write it down. ON, on. Over. Number 7. The ball is dash the table. Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. You can see in the picture, where is the ball, children? The ball is under the table. So write under. D E R, under the table. Eighth one. I am sick. I cannot come dash the party. Here you can see in the picture two children, right? They both are talking to each other, saying that I am sick. I cannot come dash the party. So what will be our answer? 2. I am sick. I cannot come to the party. So you're going to write 2. T-O 2. Over. Good. Next. Circle the position words in the following sentences. I repeat, circle the position words in the following sentences. You need to circle. I am going to read the question for you and you need to circle with me the position words. Okay, children? The first one. There is a glass on the table. Now tell me, in this sentence, what is the position word? There is a glass on the table. What you need to circle? You need to circle on. On is our position words. Okay, children? So circle the word on. Do it with me. Done? Number 2. The girl sat beside the tree. Now in this sentence, what is the position word? Beside. The girl sat beside the tree. Circle the word beside. Done? Let us go to number 3. There is a box under the desk. Here, what is the position word? Under. So now circle the word under. All are doing with me? Good. Number 4. The little girl played with her friends. Again I repeat. The little girl played with her friends. So what you need to circle? With. So circle the word with. Do it with me, children. Done? Number 5. The clock is near the bed. In the sentence, what is the position word? Near. Circle the word near. Number 6. They ran down the hill. Again I repeat, they ran down the hill. So here what is the position word? Down. So you need to circle with me. Circle it. Down. Okay, children. Over everyone. Good. Next. Circle the position word in the given paragraph. Now here what you can see in the picture. Tell me, children. There is a birthday party going on. Yes? Good. Now, first I am going to read the paragraph for you. Then we are going to circle the position words. Okay, children? Now here, Meena's birthday. Today is Meena's birthday. Her friends have come to her house. They have caps on their heads. There is a cake on the table. Mother is standing beside Meena. She has 4 cups of ice cream in her hands. Their pet dog Tommy is in front of the table and looking at the cake. The children are standing near the table and singing Happy Birthday. Understood, children? Now we are going to circle the position words. Okay, children? And you all are going to do it with me. The first sentence I am going to read for you. Today is Meena's birthday. Her friends have come to her house. Now in this sentence you are going to circle the position word. Okay, children? So here, what is a position word over here? Her friends have come to her house. So to, you need to circle it with me. Do it, children. Okay? They have caps on their heads. So here, what is the position word? On. So circle the word on. Okay? The next, there is a cake on the table. Again, what are you going to circle it? On. So circle with me. On. Circle it. Mother is standing beside Meena. In this sentence, what is our position word? Besides. So circle the word besides. All are doing with me? Good. She has 4 cups of ice cream in her hand. So what is our position word over here? in. Circle it. Their pet dog Tommy is sitting in front of the table and looking at the cake. So your position word is in front of. in front of. Okay, children. Let me read the question again. She has 4 cups of ice cream in her hand. Right? So, in is our position word. Their pet dog Tommy is sitting in front of the table and looking at the cake. Okay, children? So, here, now let us read the next sentence. The children are standing near the table and singing happy birthday. So here, what you need to circle? Tell me, children, what is our position word? Near. So circle the word near. Okay, children? All have understood, children? Good. So you need to do it again and you are going to read and sit with your parents. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day, children.